Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is a great song from David Gates called Sunday Rider. Okay, this track is normally played rhythm-wise on a sort of a slightly crunched up electric guitar, probably a Telecaster or something like that. And that's what I'm about to show you in this lesson. Okay, the track also features a fantastic bit of lead work using a wah-wah pedal. Which obviously is, I can't show you that because I haven't got an electric guitar with a wah-wah pedal. But it's, if you don't know the track, I would go and dig it out and find it and listen to it. There's some fantastic lead work on this track. Okay, the track itself basically is just 3 verses with some lead solos, so there's no middle section or anything like that in it. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, no capos, and I'm doing it in the same key that David Gates originally performs the song in, okay, on this recording. So I'm going to go through a couple of verses for you now on the old rhythm, and I'll break it down and show you how I played it. Okay, so here we go. Sunday rider, riding out along the highway. Sunday rider, driving up along the skyway. Some must fly, some speed, some to satisfy human need. Paper dresses, wear them once and fro-ly. Plastic flowers, trying to smell them anyway. No matter what the future brings, nothing like the real things. And so on. The lead solos, then you've got to listen to the lead solo, it's fantastic. Right, let's get to the rhythm then. Right, to break it down, I'm basically playing an E chord, okay, and basically the bassy strings in the sort of main lead, okay, so it's like a first part of that is an E chord, and then you use your pinky to go up to the 4th fret of the 5th string, the A string, and back off again, so it's fairly straightforward, yeah? Play slow that really down for you. Okay, so that's the first part of it. It is, and then you play this little riff bit on the end of it. 2nd fret, bottom E string, up to the 4th fret, bottom E string, and then the 2nd fret of the A string. Okay, and that's so I'll play that slowly for you. Just before I play the riff, you'll notice there's a slight upstroke. So you do a quick upstroke, so you get like. It's quite difficult to show you that bit, but I'll slow it right down for you. Okay, so you do that 4 times, and then as an intro, and then it comes in with the verse, and that's straightforward A. Sunday D riders, so it's like a very Sunday riders, back to A, Sunday, so A to D to A, Sunday riders, riding out along, just A to D and back to A to D and back to A, Sunday riders, riding out along, back to the riff. freight gliders gliding up along the highway. And then we go to B for the last two lines of the verse. Some must, it's like a downstrokes all the time. It's like jung 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 jung. So some must fly and some must be to satisfy the bit of a heavier human need. G. So it's B to A to G. Okay. Some must fly and some must be to satisfy the human need. So that's definite sort of single strums on human need. So that's A to G, okay? Human need. 3rd fret bar chord for G, 5th fret bar chord for A, 7th fret bar chord for B, okay? Paper dresses, wear them once and throw away. Plastic flowers, try to smell them anyway. No matter what the future brings, nothing like the real things. So on it goes. There's some sort of stabby bits in there as well that goes with the lead solo. You hear it's all A to D and back into A again. Okay, so there you have it. That's the whole song. There's nothing else to show you. So thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.